Hi guys, today I show you how to replace motor oil and oil filter on the Toyota Prius Hybrid 2020 all-wheel drive. The first you need to lift it up, this vehicle, use the jack, and after this you need to unscrew it this drain bolt and this is motor oil filter. Okay, let's do this. For this one I will be use like socket number 14. Okay, it start to unscrew it. Okay, oil start to drain. Okay, all oil is drained, just maybe some drops. In this case I can put back this bolt. Okay, I screw it bolt back, and right now it's time to unscrew this oil filter. For this purpose I will use the channel lock. After when you release this filter you can use your hand, and don't forget put this underneath because some oil stay inside the filter. I'll be use original parts. It's a Toyota oil filter. I'll be use some like oil drops to lubricate this O-ring. Okay, it's time to screw it back. After when you screw it oil filter, don't forget to check nothing to loose. It's everything good. And right now it's time to loose the jack and add motor oil. Okay, Toyota recommended to use 0W16. I'll be use like mobile 0W16. It's suitable for hybrid vehicle. Okay, let's start to fill. Okay, to fill it motor oil, just unscrew this cap. Use the funnel and start to fill. To check the oil level, use a dipstick. This is the minimum and this is the maximum. It's a good level between us, around the middle part like this. Okay, just check level again. Level is good. It's time to put back this lid. And after this, start engine. To start engine, push it the pedal gas. And after this, lift it jack again. And after this, check underneath again. Just make sure no any leak. Okay, no any leak on the bolt. No any leak on the oil filter. Everything good. Okay, no any leak. Release the jack. And close the hood, and it's it. Thank you for watching, and after this, don't forget to do oil maintenance reset. Just push it this button and you can see like something like vehicle settings. Press enter and you can see like maintenance system. Press again and you can see oil maintenance. Push the arrow down and push the enter and you can see questions. Reset, use the arrow and use it the yes and push it enter and you can see reset completed, and that's it.